and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to install this 13x4 water wave wig from Bling hair. So I did get this wig from TikTok shop. It's also on Aliexpress for my girlies that are not in the United States. So I'm going to make sure we link both. But I wanted to do a cute little flip over, but this hair is long and beautiful and thick all the way to the ends, honey. I'm so excited. But we are going to go ahead and get into this video, but before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Okay guys, so we are going to go ahead and get into this 36-inch wig install. Here you go, super duper thick all the way to the ends. So I'm super excited. So let's go ahead and jump right in. The first thing I'm going to do, like always, is add a little bit of lace tint to this lace to make it a little closer to my skin tone. So I did already bleach the knots and pluck the hairline. I did not dye this wig. The hair was already pretty dark, so usually I try to go for like a jet black, super dark black look, but I didn't have to do that this time. But let's add a little bit of lace tint to get this lace a little bit closer to my skin tone, you guys. I don't have that much lace tint left at all. Okay, let's go ahead and put this on. I always forget to cut off this back piece, so let's go ahead and cut off this little excess lace in the back. We can really see if this wig is actually big head friendly. If this wig fits on me, it is big head friendly, so let's put it on. Ooh, okay, look at that. Ooh, look how thick she is. Look how thick it is. There's so much hair. It looks so pretty already. I'm obsessed. Let me stand up real quick. Let me see how long this is. Let me stand up. Ooh. Ooh, she's super cute. Look how long it is. Okay, let's cut off some of this excess lace. Ooh, cutesy, cutesy. It's so thick, and I love this loose curl pattern. Usually I load up like my curlier wigs with a bunch of gel, but I feel like I don't even need to right now. This is how curly hair girls' hair really be looking a lot. Instead of like that super deep, uniform, like Jerry curl type of look. Like this is how it looks. This is cute. This looks natural. And let's go ahead and cut some slits in this hair because I like to work in sections when I actually put down the wig. So we're gonna cut a slit and cut a slit. And let's go ahead and slick this hair back. I'm gonna use a slick stick. So the glue I'm gonna be using is boat hold. My boat hold is so messy, you guys. I'm not even gonna show you all up close, but it's just a regular boat hold. And we're gonna do 3 layers of this. Now that the glue is pretty dry and tacky, we're doing the second layer. Okay, the glue looks nice and tacky now. We're gonna do the third and final layer before we actually put this wig on. I'm so ready to just see this wig lay, honey, because it looks so, so pretty. My glue kind of stuck. Hold on, guys. We gotta open this glue a little bit. Okay guys, we are about to finally put this wig down. I know I cut off so much of my forehead, but it is what it is. We're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it look good. We're gonna make it look good because my forehead is really big, but I'm slowly getting used to how big my forehead is. So let's do this. And let's go ahead and free these ears too. A lot of people forget to free the ears, but let's free the ears. Make sure we can tuck this wig behind our ear and do cute little hairstyles like that. So bam. And over here. Let's go ahead and cut off this excess lace. So I'm using an eyebrow razor and we're just gonna get it as close to the glue as possible. And now we're gonna touch up these spots that we kind of missed. with a little glue. Get these edges laid. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with some handy dandy Maybelline Fit Me because I know this lace looks crazy right now. So I did not have a lot of lace tint, so that's why it looks like this. And we haven't melted the lace yet. So guys, it's okay, don't worry. Look how quickly that fixed it. Okay, so now we need to melt this lace really quickly and make it lay, and really come together. I know you guys are like, hold up now, but now that we're melting the lace, it should come together. I'm going back in with the slick stick. Okay, I'm gonna go in with some argan oil mousse. Okay guys, so I do feel like I do a middle part all the time. So I was like, you know what? Let me do a cute little flip over and let's just call it a day. Like this is really cute, no part. But I do feel like in a few days, I will definitely put a part in this wig because I love a good middle part or something. But like this, it looks very vacation-y. I do love this like no part flip over type of thing we got going on. So it's eating the girlies up. But of course, I'm going to link this wig in the description box. I'm going to link the Aliexpress store and the TikTok. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and thank you all so much for watching. This hair is so long. But okay, thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.